one is coming a little bit late. But I claimed Biafra Prime Minister. This one is coming a little bit late. But as it be, IPOB have denied Simon Ekpa because they tell us say he no be part of them who say they don't know in registration or they don't see him finger for their paper. Say even the oath where they take for IPOB before you become a member, say Simon Ekpa never took that oath to be a part of IPOB. So the thing now, they say he no follow. Because several times too, they still don't call Simon Ekpa and say, this one way they do, no be waiting man, say now they cannot talk, say when they do, say man, say now they can get leadership when he leave, the time when they catch up. So you are supposed to follow that leadership. But a lot of people of Rahana are not in Alibu, so they thought that this way that Simon Ekpa was going was the best of it. So at the point Simon Ekpa was going very fast and he was growing very fast too. But a lot of people said, this leg, when you take the waka, so you go pass somewhere here and you go pass where we they go. By then, you come be like saying Nakasa, and you pass. You understand what I'm saying now? So the thing come cause giddy gada. Even at a point, Simon Ekpa came out to say that it is not a bad thing for people to be tagged as terrorists. Something that IPOB denied and said that you cannot tag us as terrorists. That we are not part of that. We will not be part of it in any way at all. You know, go help us. So that's so it be now. Now when they don't they call them terrorists, you know the meaning of terrorism. So some things when they go they tell on make una think I'm JJ, think I'm easy. Some of them are too forward. Whoa. I even go like the right people. In a good the right people. You get people will be saying that they for up there. Go man send them the canon. You say you won't go free the man. You know government house there. You know where Opos on the man they stay. You know where Governor Soludo they stay. You know where Governor Alex today. Go there and meet them head on. Now them go talk waiting they go here.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? I'm here to react on this video of this guy. Some of you know this person called the Critic News. There was a time he was cutting and joining information and trying to create content using Simon Ekpa's and the Biafran government in exile. And somehow he started, forming an alliance with them, and he later deviated. So it seems that people, begin to look at him with one eye, because everybody was like, okay, is he for good or for bad? Because if you watch his video, then I'm not talking about now. He's just out of the the equation. He's no longer saying anything about Igbo reference freedom or anybody, nothing. He was just creating his content normally, because PM later warned him. But before then, when he was neither there nor here, he was making content that is somehow contradicting what he presents himself to be. If you can recall, when he was talking about the activities of ESN under different prime minister after the kingdom of Mazdam, he was mocking them that army went to their base. How many of you remember when army was hitting the ESN base? Going there to buy them and send them away. I don't want to go in details about what ESN passed through in hands of Nigerian army then. People don't know anything about it. If you are to bring record of, or if you have access of the record of people, or if you can, maybe somebody that know what happened during that time to give you real information about what happened, how ESN was, how they were victimized by Nigerian army because they invaded their camps severally, throwing bombs from air against them, doing all manner of things to make sure that they deal with them, which they actually hold them so bad under this IPOB, DOS, whatever. They are all aware of what youth pass through them. So there's nothing that will happen in Igbo land that will equate the number of people that these people sent to early grave in the name of protest and forming inside security network, which I'm not against of inside security network. But after the kidnapping of Mazdam, the blood they shared among themselves is, you can't compare it. The sabotage is second to none, just to scare people away and to end the quest of freedom. But this guy, which he called himself a Critic News. Somebody told me that he has some really, a kind of link, or maybe relation, or a brother or cousin to Chinasaworo. So he was trying to form alliance with PM to gather information that he would later supply to the people who are structural maintenance as of the day. And here he is making a video after months of not talking anything, saying anything about Biafra, because I could remember that PM told him that you cannot be using my image to, make content online constantly, at the same time saying negative things about me, that if you continue this way, I'm going to come after you by suing you where you live in Europe. And the guy, well, aka pilot equal, he decided not to talk anything about it again. Now they all have turned to international broadcaster, simply because they think that PM is no longer on social media. They don't know that it's temporal. And who is sharing his video now? Metisela Mewa Mekisedek. Oh yeah, the guy. Oh, one number though, but I'm a here color the guy. Open and then I shopping mall. Did he go to Metisela? And people, many of them. The worst part of it is that they will be bragging that we are here to lecture and educate. You know, didn't educate 1 week ago. That I saw a post from Patrick. He came saying that DOS, IPOB, social maintenance, in the green, white, green. Don't block anybody that is following Simon Ekpa, following Ekpa. Don't block them, because we are going to educate them. They actually believe that they're going to. These people, they actually believe that what they're saying is making sense, that people will not to convert people. Imagine Methuselah converting somebody. If any of them convert, it simply means that you are worse than them, because that's gonna natural matters. Now, this guy is here telling you how his Semlepa is not a member of IPOB. As if being a member of IPOB have done anything good. After 10 years, APC was formed how many years ago? It's not even up to 6 years. They formed the APC. Right? Okay. It's not up to 12 years. They formed the APC, because Buhari have ruled 8 years. Okay, let's say Buhari is the first APC president, right? So meaning that is 9 years. I don't know when they formed the party, but I'm talking about when the party, started performing like producing president and political position that matters in Nigeria as a company. APC happened to be a new party, meaning that IPOB is far older than APC in terms of, forming a group or something like that. But they are here telling you that we are our own is to create awareness. But your political minded people like APC members have actually achieved something with their own group. Your own is to carry flag in all the streets of Europe. And this guy is here telling you that now for the membership of the IPOB. The question is, if DOS insists that PM is not their member, but your leader, Master Kano, have actually told you to give him a slot to broadcast on Radio Biafra, and he's not a. So what you are saying is that IPB members more than the person who formed the group know the members. Like the leader of the group, the overall leader, Master Kano, supreme leader of IPB, told you, allow this person to be here to do this, and even he's not a member, but he have done something in IPOB before the kidnap of Master American, more than all the activities of these people combined together. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. 99.9% of people pretending that Master Americano is our leader, IPOB is our structure. We must maintain we are one and one as no. Enough number within 212. On now call you on in the street of Europe. Current flag. I pity different flag. Every oko in the Buddhist that flag somehow maybe they will they redesign it because if you go the flag we commit here, the sabotage is too much. It's too much. So I don't know, but time will tell. I don't like to talk about people if you don't have any. If like if I don't have anything against you, I don't like to come out and start talking bashing on you. I can only say react on what you are doing. Most of them that are coming out from their shield, they were unable to talk about PM before, thinking that oh, this is an avenue, this is a chance for me. Some of them are returning from their propaganda activities again. In Ekpa Patrick came that nobody have read anything or hear his voice for how many months now? Apart from the video that he was discussing with one Amazonian, another, every country, everybody have their own Afanja and Ifulef. There's one Amazonian man who also drive joy in current flag, but unfortunately to him, he don't have more gullible people in Amazonian like we have in Biafra land. So meaning that he's speaking alone. He's leading himself, nobody following him. Unlike DOS, who are a bunch of the same mindset of criminality and senseless people gathering together to claim what they are not. Membership of IPOB does not put any food on anybody's table. Apart from you are part and parcel of the people who actually making and sucking people's wealth. Once they contribute money, you make your end of you make your you make end living from that. People's money is why you are surviving and paying your house rent, taking your medication and the rest, what have you. The only thing you need to know is that, like this guy called Critic News, is one of the people agent of DOS. Like I said, somebody told me that I'm not saying that it's verified, but he's from Abia State and Chinas Award is from Abia State. These people are the same, whether from Abia or Imo. They are all, as long as you reason like them. It doesn't matter where you come from. We have also the other guy that look like a hunter. He's from Enugu State, from an Indi. According to what he said, if that is true, but I know he's from Enugu State. Brother Mike, that is now yapping nonsense, he's from Enugu. So Sabo don't have any boundary or any location. They can spring up from any location and start playing the bidding of their master. Anyway, tell me what you think about this and please like this video. I want you to click on like button and subscribe if you're new. Share the message and so that you get to them, so that they will know that we're actually reading their comment and following their words, and we are going to expose it the way it is. There's no two ways about it. God bless you all. Bye bye for now.